Soaking almonds in water is a traditional practice, particularly in Ayurveda and many Asian cultures, and modern nutrition science has validated several of its benefits. The process is simple. Raw, unpeeled almonds are immersed in water for 8-12 hours, typically overnight, after which the brown skin can be easily peeled off. Here are the key benefits of consuming soaked almonds. 1. Improved digestion. This is one of the most significant advantages. Reduces enzyme inhibitors. Almonds, and many other nuts and seeds, have natural enzyme inhibitors and tannins in their brown skin that protect them until they are ready to sprout. These compounds can make almonds harder to digest by binding to digestive enzymes in our stomach. Soaking deactivates these inhibitors. Releases enzymes. The soaking process signals the almond to wake up and begin the germination process, which releases beneficial enzymes like lipase, protease, and amylase that aid in the digestion of fats, proteins, and carbohydrates. Result: soaked almonds are much gentler on the stomach, reducing the likelihood of bloating, gas, or indigestion that some people experience with raw almonds. 2. Enhanced nutrient absorption. Deactivating the enzyme inhibitors doesn't just aid digestion, it also unlocks the almond's full nutritional potential. Increases bioavailability. Soaking breaks down the complex proteins and fats, making the vital nutrients within the almond more bioavailable and easier for your body to absorb. Key nutrients enhanced. This includes fat-soluble vitamins like vitamin E, a powerful antioxidant, as well as minerals like calcium, magnesium, and zinc. The phytic acid in the skin, which can bind to minerals and prevent their absorption, is also reduced through soaking. 3. Easier to peel and chew. Soft texture. Soaked almonds have a soft, buttery texture that is much easier to chew, making them ideal for children, the elderly, or anyone with dental sensitivities. Bitter skin. The skin, while nutritious, contains tannins which give it a slightly bitter taste. Peeling soaked almonds removes this bitterness, resulting in a sweeter, more pleasant taste that many people prefer. 4. Supports weight management. Almonds are already a great food for weight management due to their healthy fat, protein, and fiber content. Soaked almonds may offer a slight edge. Satiety. The soft texture and possibly improved nutrient absorption can help you feel fuller for longer, reducing overall calorie intake. Easier metabolism. The theory is that since your body expends less energy digesting them, the energy, calories, from soaked almonds can be utilized more efficiently for other metabolic processes. However, this is more of a traditional claim than a rigorously proven scientific one. 5. Better for skin and hair health. Almonds are a fantastic source of skin-friendly nutrients. Vitamin E. The improved absorption of vitamin E helps protect skin cells from oxidative damage caused by sun and pollution, potentially slowing signs of aging. Flavonoids. The soaking process is believed to enhance the availability of flavonoids, which are plant compounds that contribute to healthy, glowing skin and strong hair. 6. May contribute to heart health. Almonds are well known for their heart-healthy profile. Monounsaturated fats. They are rich in good fats that help maintain healthy cholesterol levels. Antioxidants. The flavonoids in the almond skin, which become more bioavailable after soaking, work with vitamin E to reduce inflammation and oxidative stress, key factors in heart disease. How to prepare and consume soaked almonds. Take a handful of raw, unpasteurized almonds. Soak. Place them in a bowl and cover with enough clean, filtered water. The almonds will expand, so ensure there's extra water. Time. Let them soak for 8-12 hours. Overnight is most convenient. Drain and rinse. In the morning, drain the water and rinse the almonds thoroughly. Peel. Optional. You can easily slip the skin off by pressing the almond between your fingers. While the skin is nutritious, peeling it removes the tannins and bitter taste. Eat, consume them on an empty stomach for maximum benefit. You can store soaked and peeled almonds in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to a week. A note on the soaking water. The water used for soaking contains the tannins and phytic acid that have leached out. It's generally recommended to discard this water and not drink it. In conclusion, soaking almonds is a simple, no-cost technique that transforms a healthy snack into a super digestible and nutrient-rich food. It enhances their nutritional profile, makes them gentler on your stomach, and unlocks their full health potential. Like, share, subscribe.